Hi, welcome back to Gooey.AI. I'm Ambika. We've been building a health bot that focuses on hypertension and BP. We've got the LLM prompt in place, we've chosen a model, we've added a PDF to our knowledge base, we've even included speech to text provider to help us send in a voice note by the user or by the patient, and they should be able to get a response back. Now we want to even have the response that the Copilot gives come back as an audio note. So this is super simple to do. We just need to click on text to speech here, and we'll just go ahead with the default provider, which is a US accent of a male, and we will ask a question about how often should we get assessments done as hypertensive patients. So I'll add another audio note. How often should hypertensive patients get follow-up assessments done? Right, and we will send this across. So it's heard the question, it's understood it, it's given me an answer, and here you see at the very bottom there is a audio HTML tag. So here the answer was the WHO suggests a follow-up schedule for hypertensive patients as follows. So hopefully it should sound exactly the same. So I'm going to just play a little bit of it for you guys to understand.
The World Health Organization, WHO, suggests a follow-up schedule for hypertensive patients as follows. 1. Monthly follow-up, after the initiation or a change.
So you could hear that. It sounded a bit robotic, but there are lots of great speech to text providers. You can have a look what works for you. Some work really well in certain languages and certain accents. Some don't work at all. So it's up to us to see what works for us and what gets balanced in terms of the budgets and latencies that we are happy with. So that's it. That's how you can get a Copilot ready, which has got a prompt, which has a chosen model. We've got a knowledge base, we've got speech recognition, and we've even got text to speech coming back. So in the next video, we're going to deploy this as a simple web Copilot, and we can even start testing it out in the field. So see you next time.